Hello students, welcome to class 4, subject English Balbharti, Unit 3, Chapter 18, Growing Up. Now growing up is a poem and the poet beautifully expresses about growth in living things. We have Mr. Thomas Frog and the butterfly, so beautifully transforming themselves into adulthood in these poems. So first I'll read a poem for y'all. Mr. Thomas Frog by C. J. Dennis. Little Tommy Tadpole began to weep and wail, for little Tommy Tadpole had lost his little tail, and his mother didn't know him as he wept upon a log, for he wasn't Tommy Tadpole but Mr. Thomas Frog. So, here in this stanza, the poet tells us about the life cycle of a frog. The frog undergoes the different stages of growth. Tadpole is the first stage, in that he has a long tail but no arms or legs, as you can see in the picture. And later in the stage 2 or second stage, it gets 2 legs, and in the third stage it has 4 legs, and finally it grows into an adult frog. So he becomes Mr. Thomas Frog. But this Tommy Tadpole was weeping and wailing. Means what? Weeping and wailing means he was crying bitterly because he has lost his tail, and his mother didn't know him as he wept upon a log, for he wasn't Tommy Tadpole but Mr. Thomas Frog. In this stanza, the poet tells us that even little Tommy Tadpole's mother did not recognize him as he wept sitting on a log. Here, log means a piece of wood, and he was weeping and crying sitting on a log as he was no more Tommy Tadpole but Thomas Frog. So here the poet C.J. Dennis tells us about the life cycle of a frog. Our next poem is The Butterfly. In this we are going to learn about the life cycle of the butterfly. So first I'll read a poem for y'all. The fuzzy little caterpillar curled upon a leaf, made herself a chrysalis and then fall asleep. While she was sleeping, she dreamed that she could fly, and later when she woke up, she was a butterfly. In this stanza, we come to know that a caterpillar is a stage of a growth of a butterfly. Fuzzy means covered with soft fine hair that sticks up, as you can see in the picture. The caterpillar looks like the worm, and it has curled upon a leaf. Curled means curved into a round shape. Made herself a chrysalis and then fall asleep. Chrysalis is a pupa. It is the third stage of life cycle of a butterfly, as you can see in the picture. A butterfly first lay eggs on a plant, and then the eggs get hatched. The young ones or larvae comes out of these eggs. After that, it forms a protective layer around itself that is known as the chrysalis. In this stage, the caterpillar is now called the pupa. Inside the chrysalis, the pupa undergoes series of changes. So while she was sleeping, she dreamed that she could fly, and later when she woke up, she was a butterfly. This stanza tells us that while she was sleeping in that hard case, in that chrysalis stage, she dreamed that she could fly, and now here in this stage of growth, after a few days, a beautiful butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. It has now 4 attractive wings and 6 long legs, and now she can fly. This series of changes in the life cycle of a butterfly is also called as a metamorphosis. So as she woke up, she saw herself in a beautiful, colorful and wonderful butterfly, and she was happy that she could fly from one place to another, from one flower to another. So in this poem, Growing Up, the poet tells us about the changes that takes place in the life cycle of a frog and a butterfly as they are growing up. I hope you have understood the poem Growing Up very well. Thank you.